Today I'm going to walk you through one of the coolest new features in web design, the Elementor AI Site Planner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to harness Elementor's AI tools to jumpstart your WordPress site planning, saving valuable time and sparking your creativity as you build out a stunning site. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking to level up your workflow in 2025, this walkthrough will get you familiar with the process step by step. First things first, before we can dive into the AI-powered features, you'll need to have the Elementor plugin installed on your WordPress website. Elementor is one of the most popular page builders for WordPress for a reason. It's user-friendly, flexible, and packed with tools for designers and business owners alike. If you haven't added Elementor to your WordPress site yet, you can find it in the plugin directory or download it directly from Elementor's website, then install and activate it. Once you've got Elementor ready to go, that's when the real magic starts. Alright, next, go ahead and open up Elementor. To do this, log into your WordPress dashboard and over in the sidebar you'll spot the Elementor menu item. Click on that and you'll land right on the Elementor home page, a clean interface where all the latest features and options live. Now take a look around. You'll notice a section at the top that says something like Create and Launch Your Site Faster with AI. This is the new AI Site Planner, Elementor's way of making the website setup process faster, smarter, and less intimidating, especially if you're not sure where to start or just want a smart helping hand. When you see that prompt, stop for a moment and think about what kind of website you want. This next step is crucial. You'll be asked to type in what kind of website you want to create. Maybe you're planning a portfolio to showcase your art, a blog for your latest recipes, a business homepage to draw in clients, or an e-commerce shop to sell your products. Here, it pays to be a little specific with your description. Don't worry if you're not sure how to phrase it, the AI is pretty smart and can understand most basics. For example, you could type a personal blog about minimalism, a bakery shop with online ordering, or a portfolio for a freelance photographer. Imagine you're talking to a helpful friend who's building the site for you. Give them a quick summary of your vision. Once you finish typing, take a moment to double-check what you've written. This will help the AI better tailor your site plan. Now you're ready for the fun part. Click the button that says Create with AI. This is where Elementor's AI engine gets to work, analyzing your brief and generating a custom site outline for you. You might see a little loading animation. Don't worry, this usually only takes a few moments. The AI is piecing together your site's structure, deciding what sections and pages you'll need, and even suggesting content if you want. It's kind of like having an experienced web designer gently sketching out your blueprint so you're not faced with a blank canvas. As your new site plan appears, take some time to look it over. You can always tweak, adjust, and add personal touches, but starting with an AI-generated site foundation can save you a huge amount of time and decision fatigue. If something doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can rerun this process or tweak the details until you get a layout that feels right for you. And that's all it takes to get started with Elementor's AI Site Planner. With these steps, you can quickly move past the hardest part of web design, getting started, and focus on customizing and bringing your vision to life. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, and if you've got questions or you want to share what you're building, drop a comment below. I love hearing what you're working on. And for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.